See, first, to understand the calendar spread and why I am doing it, type on of this calendar spread. Go here. So what we are doing is a long calendar spread. I'll explain you what that is. Now read it here, okay? That you'll understand that why I am choosing that strike price, and based on, like, you wanted to understand that why I am choosing that 21700 today, and yesterday I did 21300, right? We closed yesterday that one. Now go to trading view and check the price of current BN. My view is Bank Nifty may or may not fall. I don't care, but my view is it will be in this range only. And I have a slight bearish view because you just saw the German market and it is negative as of now. So I think it will hover here only. I don't see ultra bullishness tomorrow. Okay, and ultra bearishness also, because this is a consolidating area. So maximum it will fall here and it will keep consolidating, right? And also I am seeing the India VIX, and I think the IV will rise at least to here, or at least will consolidate. Or the main exact point is it will not fall. So that's why I am doing the calendar spread. Now you might need to understand that the calendar spread will be beneficial if IV goes up. Okay. Now let me show you the strategy builder. Go here in the Opstra, click Bank Nifty. See, Sensible is obviously better, but they do not give the payoff graph properly, like in a good, beautiful way. Properly, not is the good term. So I shall be selling the near term, which is ninth. Click sell at position, and the option calculator we have in our site in our office, it doesn't have the calendar spread. If you guys can code, give me. I'll just put it there. So this will be the pattern. Okay. So tomorrow, if Bank Nifty stays between this and this, you will be making money. And now let me check what the Bank Nifty is. 21800. Okay. And you can see the loss is very low here, minus 3000, and the profit will be very good, 7000. So risk to reward wise, it is better than the call spread ones, because you can also manage this one in many ways. I'll tell in the Slack if that is need to be done. And my bet is that I'll be will be rising tomorrow by at least 10%. Okay. Now see, if the IV is rising, then it will do like this. Okay. 9 July 21700. That's why I am thinking I am doing something wrong. Sorry. See, it may looks nice, but it has a huge fall if it is breaking down here. Let me do it 227. Yeah, so this is my bet currently. 23300 to 23. So it is a very nice trade. Okay. I think you guys should do it. Okay. And if you need to understand more, I'm not going to talk the same thing I have written there in my own website. You can just go and read there. If you don't want to read, just do the thread.